Welcome back to MyMoneyKarma's quest to answer the question, will crypto eventually replace money? If you missed part 1, make sure you go back and catch up, because things are about to get a little complicated here. According to standard monetary theory, the price of goods and services are a function of money supply M, money velocity V, and GDP Y. But with stable coins, this money supply M will be a sum of money supply in the traditional world and money supply in decentralized finance, which is not controlled by any bank. The way we create money today is through a process of fractional reserve. So, say Kumar deposits 100 rupees in Kotak Bank. Then Kotak lends Arjun 60 rupees. Arjun deposits 60 rupees in HDFC. The original 100 rupees has now become 160 rupees. But today, money creation falls a different fancy name called rehypothecation. Let me say that again because it's fun. Rehypothecation. Kumar borrows 100 rupees from Kotak using his house as collateral. Kotak uses this collateral to borrow 60 rupees from HDFC. The same collateral has become 2 loans. Now, just replace house with Bitcoin or Ether. With us so far? Large cap crypto tokens like Bitcoin have basically become like houses in the metaverse. They can be used as a collateral in DeFi and support a large creation of stablecoins. So just like the price of your house affects how much you can borrow, the price of Bitcoin affects how much stablecoin can be created in the metaverse. So as Bitcoin prices rise, the number of stablecoins that can be supported and created rises exponentially. This makes the job of the central bank much harder. As the percentage of stablecoin in the monetary supply increases, the lesser influence a central bank will have over maintaining the stability of the money supply. Increasingly, this will make the situation unsustainable. So what happens next? The metaverse will need to create its own medium of exchange that will replace the role for a traditional central bank. That is, setting the yardstick for a stable currency. That means an equivalent of a CPI for inflation. This is the way in which fiat-pegged stablecoins act as a bridge between the virtual world and the real world, and hence eat away at fiat currencies and central bank influence. Remember to subscribe to our channel and keep mining crypto knowledge. Its price only seems to keep going up.